Your house looks nice, Santa. I love everything here.
Thanks. Why do you think most Muslims and Christians don't get along?
Santa, they feel a Muslim must be a bad person, while some Muslims feel a Christian is evil. The average man should know that both Christianity and Islam aren't in a competition. Both religions are good. We don't need to advertise any of these religions with the view that the other one is evil. We should understand that both Christianity and Islam don't teach bad things. Islam doesn't support killings, hatred, etc. This misunderstanding is what creates a barrier in the minds of many Christians and Muslims for each other.
Islam and Christianity are not entities. I see people act, and when I judge them, I can say with absolute certainty that they aren't serving God. Instead, they are serving their religion.
That's true, Santa. Followers make the mistake of worshipping their religion instead of the Creator. Some Muslims unconsciously are worshipping Islam as an entity. Some Christians are unconsciously worshipping Christianity as an entity.
If we do this, then it is called idol worship. What differentiates religion from idol worship is the fact that we worship the living God. For idols, they worship object. But by the time we place more importance on our religion more than God, then we have changed religion into an entity. Thus, we can call that idol worship.
You are correct, Santa.